My name is Cameron Watman. I'm student 3285431, and for my Math1510 video assignment 1 video submission, I'm going to do question 1, prove or disprove the following claims. So the claims are the following: P and Q implying P is a tautology, P and not Q is a contradiction, and finally P and Q is a tautology. So before we can actually do those questions, you've got to define what these terms mean. So a tautology is basically where you have one binding operation where all the outcomes are true, and the opposite for a condition. So if you have one binary logic operation, then all the truth table will output false for all 4 states. So we'll go along to the working now, but just remember we've got the claims on the right hand side. For the first claim, we're trying to prove that P and Q implying P is a tautology. So we'll find out P and Q first. So true and true is a true. Just a second, sorry, my pen's interacting weird. There we go, that's better. True and false is a false. False and true is a false. And finally, false and false is a false. So P implies Q, sorry, P and Q implies P. So true implies true is true. We've got a true over here and Q, so that doesn't matter. And a false implies a false is always true, the same with the bottom one. So that means that we have got 4 truths, meaning that this is a tautology. So now we'll go down to the second table here. P and not Q is a contradiction, so let's see if that happens. True and true, and this really becomes false because we flipped it, so true and false is false. True and false becomes true because we flipped it, so true and true is true. False and true is false. False and false becomes false. And false and false again becomes false because we need a true. For it to be true, it needs to have 2 truths. So this is not a contradiction, since we have a true and a true. Finally, for the last one, P and Q is a tautology, so let's find out. True and true, that's true. True and false becomes false, same with this one. And finally this one, and because we've got 3 falses here, that means that this is not a tautology. Thank you very much for listening, and this has been Cameron Watman, and for the Maths Assessment 1. Thank you very much.